greetings from Vietnam again. Today I will show you our desktop welding machine, this one. And this machine has 4 axes. 1, 2, 3, and one the rotary axis. So totally 4 axes. And these 2 parts are just customized clamps. And you see it can rotate, so it can weld a circle. Before welding, it's like this. So it's need to weld a circle. And after welding, we get like this. You can see the welding seal. So this machine just can automatically welding these parts, and it can save your labor and save your time. And just one worker can just weld it 1,000 parts just per day. So it is very high efficient. So this machine will be very high efficient to make the same parts like the first room parts, or like the kitchen parts, and like the bowls and some cups, or some just small ones. So many is very high efficient and can save your labor. So if you have same requirements and this machine, you can contact us. We can just provide customized service. We will give you the customized clamps and welding machine.